ഫോണൊന്ന് മാറ്റിടാ. ഫോണ് മാറ്റുന്നു. ഫോൺ മേടിക്കണ്ടേ? തിരിച്ചു വരുമ്പോഴല്ലേ നല്ലത്. തരുമല്ലോ. ഓ, അപ്പൊ ഇപ്പൊ ഒന്ന് പറയാം.
This girl is waiting for you to know this Bhagavati. So you have seen the Bhagavati, right? You want to say something, no? What do you want to say to her?
Oh, thank you. So, are you excited for Chitini? Chitini, the movie of Chitini, no? So, next movie you watch
Bhagavati movie, no? How was she?
So, next movie Chitini?
Waiting, no?
Waiting? Excited? Horror?
Okay?
No, she is also a co-actor. Thank you. Hi. Beautiful saree. അവരൊന്ന് അപ്രീഷിയേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം.
അതൊക്കെ ഫോട്ടോ എടുക്കാം. എല്ലാവരും ആരാണ് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്.
ഒരു സ്റ്റെപ്പ് പഠിക്കുക.
very much excited. എൻ്റെ സെക്കൻഡ് മലയാളം മൂവിയായ ചിത്തിനിയുടെ പൂജിക്കൂ വന്നത. For the second Malayalam movie, we have come to pray Ma Attukal Ma Bhagavati Amman. So, എല്ലാവർക്കും പ്രാർത്ഥനിക്കും. Please.
മലയാളി ഓഡിയൻസ് റെസ്പോൺസ് എങ്ങനെ തോന്നുന്നു?
Unbelievable. I mean, I'm like bhayankar. Like whenever I'm see everyone was so excited. Next Malayalam movie. What is the next Malayalam movie? Then after Chitini announcement, so we are getting quite good response, and people are looking up to it. People are sharing, and they want to see me in a new character. And you are going to see, I think the Malayali audience, they are going to see me in completely new character than Bhagavati. This one, Bhagavati, definitely it's a goddess character, but this is a living character. Whatever it is, it's a suspense, but entirely different, and you will love it. And the entire movie, you will love it.
The Malayali audience usually saw you as a Bhagavati, but now you are doing another character.
Yeah.
So, what should the people expect from you?
That's what the people will experience a fearless moksha in terms of in that character. I can't reveal the name of the character now. So people will see a fearless moksha which has been beautifully designed by the character sketch. When I went through the character, it was like unlike other horror movies, it was okay. But when I went through the final script, the way Sir has made the character so strong and powerful, and I think everyone will relate to it, and whatever we want, we can do it. We can do. So that's the thing. A very fearless character. I was waiting for it, and I'm learning Kalaripayattu. For the first time on screen, I will be doing Kalaripayattu, and dance I have done in other films also, but here in Kalari, and which is a traditional art form of Kerala, and I'm very obliged to Sir for giving me this opportunity to show my hidden talent, some potential which I had before to forecast in a very, very natural and dramatic way at the same time.
Few words about Attukal Temple.
Yeah. Attukal Temple, I have been hearing so much about Attukal Temple. Whenever we search for the topmost temples of Kerala, the first temple, Amma Temple, definitely Attukal Ma Chotanikara, Padmanath Swami Temple. But when we go for the Amma Temple, Attukal, Chotanikara, so already Chotanikara Temple visit was like unbelievable. I didn't even know. I just came the Vishu day, and suddenly it became a viral. Not even out of Kerala, also in the other southern states, Tamil Nadu, they were also like so after Chotanikara, this Attukal Temple visit was unexpected. Again, it happened due to the second Malayalam movie. So I think Kerala has become like my second home. Whenever I'm coming, the love, just an announcement, we are for Chitini Moksha and team Chitini coming. So if such love from everyone, this is unbelievable, and this is the blessing of Ma. She called, so we came, and you all came along with us.
This is the first time you are coming?
Yeah, Attukal Temple first time. I've been to Trivandrum before, but the temple, Attukal Amman Temple, first time.
Okay, Kalaripayattu experience.
Kalaripayattu? I must confess one thing, more than Kalaripayattu, for me, Malayalam is tough. Actually, I am a yoga practitioner, classical dancer. So for me, the initial asana, the asanas, the warm-ups, okay, I'm used to it. I've done theatres also in Bengal. I have done theatres, stage performances. But when we go to the little advance of it, the intermediate course of it, especially the fights and all, it's, my God, you can see me the black patches on my hand. And my sir, Shiva sir, who is also like my teacher, and he's also the co-actor in the movie. He's teaching so well, so perfect, and I'm very much used to it. And every day I'm practicing vigorously, wholeheartedly, to show you something, to present you a new piece of cake.
അപ്പോൾ സാർ എനിക്ക് ഇത്ര വലിയൊരു ഓപ്പർച്യൂണിറ്റി തന്നു. സോ താങ്ക് യു സോ മച്ച് ഫോർ എക്സ്പ്രസ് വിജയൻ സർ. സോ ഇതൊരു വലിയൊരു ചലഞ്ചാണ് എനിക്ക്. ലൈക്ക് ഒരു വർക്ക്ഷോപ്പും എല്ലാം നടന്നുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണ് അതിൻ്റെ. അപ്പോൾ ഐ ക്യാൻ ഡു ഇറ്റ് എന്നെനിക്കിപ്പോൾ ഒരു ആത്മവിശ്വാസം വരുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ ഇപ്പോൾ ആറ്റുകാൽ ദേവിയുടെ നടയിൽ വെച്ച് പറയുന്നു, ഇതിന് നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും അനുഗ്രഹം വേണം, സപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്യണം. ചിത്തിനി കളനും ഭഗവതി എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞൊരു ഹിറ്റ് മൂവിക്ക് ശേഷം സാറ് ഡയറക്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് പ്രൊഡ്യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്ന മൂവിയാണ്. സോ എല്ലാവരുടെയും ബ്ലെസ്സിങ്സ് വേണം. താങ്ക് യു സപ്പോർട്ട്.